As men, we want to have all the energy and strength to handle anything life throws at us. We want to be ready for those long days at work and come home afterwards and have the energy and stamina to enjoy our life and family. As we get older, we have new concerns. We want to stay healthy and have the vitality we had when we were younger. We likely have begun to notice changes with our bodies in regards to lower energy, increased fatigue, erectile dysfunction, as well as prostate issues. All of these are attributed to our changing hormone levels. Another term for these symptoms is andropause. The good news is that with hormone supplementation, you can and will get your life back and put these aging concerns to rest. Men who have optimized their hormones by utilizing testosterone have greater levels of energy and stamina. Not only can they spend more time doing the things they used to do, but they're also ensuring a longer and healthier life by decreasing their risk for many different diseases. And the frosting on the cake is, in addition to the increased energy, they are likely to have increased libidos, and their struggle with erectile dysfunction tends to diminish. At Armur Medical, you are in charge of your health care. We have found most men don't like going to the doctor, so we have incorporated online and telemedicine visits specifically for you. The earlier we address and treat your concerns, the quicker your overall health improves and the faster your symptoms begin to disappear. No questions are off limits, and we will always treat you in a professional manner. So when it comes to hormone or testosterone replacement therapy, we are here and ready to help you get the best available service. All of our physicians are board certified with additional certifications in bioidentical hormone replacement therapy. If you are ready to get your life back and experience the vitality you used to have, click the button below to schedule your first free consultation call, either by phone or video. You have nothing to lose except some of the unwanted current symptoms. So, what are you waiting for? Go ahead, click the button now.